In this video, we'll look at what crypto mining is. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we will be talking about crypto miners and Bitcoin mining. But before we continue, kindly like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay notified of more interesting videos just like this one. With that done, let's get right into the video. Gold was used to determine the value of money in the past. Due to the limited global gold reserves, this was stable. However, a clever individual created practical and affordable paper money. At the point when a country's cash had been spent, the public authority could just print new bills. Inflation was created in this manner. Even though there were a lot of banknotes, people suddenly became poor again. Around quite a while back, a sharp innovator showed up by the name of Satoshi Nakamoto. He came up with the brilliant idea for the virtual currency Bitcoin and devised a strategy to ensure that it would not lose value but rather increase in value in time. The currency has grown continuously, and just like silver or gold, Bitcoins are mined, but virtually. Bitcoin is a finite resource. There are only 21 million Bitcoins that will exist. For this reason, Bitcoin's worth is more stable than traditional forms of currency. The popularity of Bitcoin has grown thanks to the security it offers and its status as a scarce resource. By mining, this guarantees the value of Bitcoin and prevents theft. It can only happen when miners create the blocks of new transactions in the blockchain. Professional miners are using up-to-date technology and Bitcoins are quickly generated with this mining equipment. Whoever enters the Bitcoin or altcoin mining and crypto market should do some research before. So what do you think about Bitcoin mining? Kindly let me know what you think about this video in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Also, hit the bell to receive more updates. See you next time. Thanks for watching.